no. B-Boy, why are you sleeping on the ground? I don't know. What am I doing here? Well, Bryson, but we need your help. Why? What's the matter? I want to take some more personally. I want to discuss this in my office. Now that we're in our office, let's begin. 2 princesses are captured. It's your job to get them back.
Who captured them?
Evil Weasel.
Oh, I'd never heard of him before. I'll have to meet him.
We better get going.
Oh, good idea.
I'm on the case. Oh, let's try this out.
Come in, you little sneer. Okay. What?
I must help you.
Not so fast, B-Boy! You'll never defeat me, for I have a gun! I'm not dead yet. Now I'm dead.
You saved us, B-Boy!
I know I did.
How can we ever repay you?
You don't have to.
It's my job.